CEO and founder of 360 in 360 Immersive Experiences, and also a Vice President of the International Society for Digital Medicine. In the current era of the pandemic, many people are denied the opportunity to exercise, and so we've seen an increase in levels of obesity, overweight, and because COVID-19 is particularly aggressive in patients suffering with these kind of lifestyle conditions, it's important to be able to manage your personal health. I've been involved in the use of digital technologies for personal health management for 7 years now, and I've seen the benefits of some of the technologies I've been using, like wearable devices such as the Fitbit and so on, and so I've managed to adhere to a regime of 10,000 steps every day, and I'm lucky enough to be able to live in the countryside, and makes it possible for me to do that. But for many people, the opportunity to exercise is a bit difficult, and it's difficult to find the motivation to do that. So I've been looking at ways in which technologies such as virtual reality and strategies such as gamification can be applied to help people to stay healthy and become fitter and lose weight. Now, in my experience, there are two components to losing weight. One is physical exercise, which does have physical benefits, but it also has mental benefits, helps to keep you sharp and young in outlook. The other aspect is diet, and I'll be looking at the aspects of diet and how you can use digital technologies to manage your diet in other videos. For this video, I want to introduce you to a piece of technology which can be used with virtual reality headsets like the Oculus Go and Oculus Quest 2, this device, in conjunction with this exercise machine, which can either be used on a table, as you see it here, or it can be used on the floor to act as a kind of exercise bike. So I'm going to link this bike, this exercise machine, to a virtual reality environment and show you how this combination can help make exercise fun and accessible, and can be tailored to every individual. So I've already set up my Oculus Quest 2, which is switched on now. So I'm going to put this the Oculus Quest 2 on, and I'm going to start recording a video of everything that I do within the virtual reality environment, and show you how it all works and how it all fits together, and how it can help to make exercise fun and motivating. So I put the virtual reality headset on, and the first thing I have to do is to confirm that I'm in a safe place. So I'm not going to be waving my arms about or moving about, so I'm confirming now the boundary of my operation. So at this point, I'm going to start recording a video which will be stored on the Oculus Quest headset. And now I can pedal and exercise. And the visual imagery from Yosemite Park is actually taken from Google Street View. And it's one of the many rides that users have set up. And these are existing users who form part of a community creating virtual rides from all around the world. It's a relatively straightforward process to set up your own rides, but there are some hints and tips which I can go into at some other time on how to make the ride as enjoyable as possible. So if I look up, I can see a heads-up display which is showing me power, how many calories I've used, how long I've been exercising, and what percentage of the ride I've completed. So if I'm going to try and pick up the pace now, and as I look up, my power is going up. I'm going to cool down now, slow down. If I slow down to a stationary position, I can also look around, and my trainer passes me, so I can start cycling again to catch up. And as I cycle along, once I've completed a specific percentage of the journey, or I come across these coins which give me power credits, and these credits in a gamified environment can be used from a range of different applications.